the automatic fire alarm. This is this is this is the lead. In the negative of the lead, we have to put in ground, and that positive we have to put in. I have put into the. And this is the thermistor, and this is the sensor, and how it work I am telling you. It work is, first we have to need the hot things, and we have to put slowly in this, and it will blow the light. The heat know the heat is coming, and it will know, and it will know, and it will know that there is the heat, and it will blow like this. If there is not the heat, wait a second, heat will be gone, and it will be not blow. See, it will not it will not blow. And thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe for more.